actually, 4. 2 sisters, 2 sisters.
Oh, that is so cool. Like anybody can, no?
I'm videoing it. Oh crap. Yeah.
I hate your claws.
Done by. Yeah.
Why the hell did you record off your iPad to freeze?
I haven't got anything else to record off it.
What a shame.
Move out the way, everybody.
What have you got, Claire? Nothing.
I'm just videoing.
Why are they all gay? I hate them all. I don't like to.
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
Why are they doing the Gangnam Style? You like that? Just because it's got like 1 million, billion, trillion views. So you have to do something. Please, can I do it?
No.
It's one of them again. Oh, it's one of them again.
Oh, it's one of them again. Oh.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Hi, Daisy.
We are gonna record it.
Oh, Jesus Christ, you see how that smells?
That one was bad, that.
Oh my god.
Oh my
It's
god.
gonna kill us. It's gonna kill us.
Horrible tomorrow, isn't it?
What?
Yeah.
Good thing we're not in school tomorrow. Wait.
Ah,
In 2 days we're back in school.
Sunday tomorrow.
I know. 2.
is this the same
Be back in on Monday.
Our school's adopted. Our school's gay.
Daisy, my school's adopted.
That's nice, Dave.
I'm
Did you go to
recording
the
it.
Did you go to the academy?
Yeah.
It's adopted, isn't it?
Adopted.
Did you ever have Miss Pugh?
Yeah.
She's a little rat, isn't she?
Yeah.
I've got her for my English.
Oh, Caitlin told us she had bad breath.
She is. She's one of the hated teacher of mine.
What ones have we got left?
Did you ever have Miss Thompson?
Who?
Thompson?
Maths teacher.
Yeah,
Mr. Tomlinson.
it's Miss Thompson.
Tomlinson?
Do you know a teacher called Mr.
Not
Thompson?
Mr. Tomlinson? Yeah.
Mr.
Oh,
Chris.
you
Oh.
said Miss.
Yeah,
Oh, I thought you said Miss.
I have a Miss Thompson for maths every day because I'm at the back of the class. I just go on my phone because I hate her.
Have you ever had Mr. Christian?
Get a couple.
Oh, he's
Go that school.
What?
Christian's dead.
No, I know who he is. Well, I don't know who he is, but
Chris, we can keep some for New Year, you know.
3, 2, 1, blast off! Shift it, Mum. Get your fat head out of the way.
Why would you understand?
Did you see that?
Yeah.
What was it?
Did the shed come on fire?
Well, who knows, well.
What happened?
It's salt, isn't it?
Oh my
Is
god!
my bike okay?
What, you fellas? I did from this one.
What did you just ask? Is what okay?
I thought, oh shit, the
Bike.
Why the hell?
Why are you hiding behind this?
It's
I'm gonna
professor.
die.
One went over there.
Wait, just in case.
I'm over to the toys, the kids' toys.
Right, I didn't know.
Oh, don't do it again, you
Hello.
Sure, Dave,
Hiya.
they are though, doesn't it?
Chris, that
You
means
don't swing
Jack.
Matthew, come on, you little girl.
I know he's a little.
You little girl.
No, it's gonna come into the house.
Not going still.
Close the door, you freak.